This is the first year ever and only for one day that Quince is going to have a major sale. The sale at Quince is only for one day on December 26th. I have picked out my travel essentials for you to shop. First off are these cotton cashmere sweaters. I'm size 8, 5'10", and the medium is the perfect fit. The large is just roomier. And here is the reason why I love these. Number one, they sit at your waist for your travel outfit. And number two, they drape your body so that it does not cling. And number three, when you lift your arm, it does not show down into your sleeve and beyond. But some really, really beautiful colors for all seasons of travel. Here's a travel poncho that feels like and weighs like an airplane blanket. But here is the travel hack for your outfit. Put your hand through the hole, the neck hole of your scarf. Now pull the whole thing around your neck, and when you poke the end through, it's going to be a full cozy scarf if you need it to while you're traveling. Another travel hack is the turtle look. You're going to put your head through the neck hole and then move everything forward. Wear the poncho like this in the airplane if you are freezing cold, like I was when I had a long sweater on top of for my travel outfit. I pulled this out of my compression packing cube because it folds up to almost nothing and is on sale today from the Quince annual sale. Here's a second way that you can wear this. Put on a blazer, a suit coat, or a jacket or winter coat with this scarf for an added extra warmth layer. With it being so lightweight, and it's cashmere, so it retains your body heat and regulates your body temperature when you are wearing this travel outfit. Or you can wear this like a normal poncho and not have extra bulk for that vacation outfit. Look how small it is. I mean, it is so lightweight, but effective in keeping you warm. Because it is 100% linen, it is going to be cooling to you, and it also regulates your body temperature. So in an airplane coming from a cold location to a resort where it is warm, this is a great piece to have on your way to the airport. But here is the travel hack. You're going to use a linen scarf as your sarong, and you're going to take both corners in the opposite hand. So see this? Then you're going to tie it around your neck, just a little bitty tie, little bitty double knot, okay? And that's going to be your swim cover up. So you do not have to pack one if you're tight on space and you're only packing in a carry-on suitcase. It is a swim cover up for you. Here's another travel hack that you can use with your scarf. You're going to wrap it around and just bunch up the ends and tie it twice around your waist, but you're going to loosen it or leave it loose enough so that you can pull this down over your swimsuit if you just want it to be a waist type sarong for your swimsuit. And of course, this doesn't look right because I don't have my swimsuit on. The number one reason I like this scarf for travel outfits is that it is flowy and bouncy, but lightweight. I don't know if this is on the sale. I don't think it is, but it's hard shell, and that means it will protect like jewelry, fragile jewelry, like big hoop earrings. You can put euros in this, and it has a detachable little wristlet if you don't want to really have to hold on to it, but it's easy to fit down in your purse or your backpack. This sweater is a favorite by so many. I'm 5'8", size 10. The medium was a little too short, so the large gives you this loose, cozy winter look without it not being bulky for a travel outfit. The green Mongolian cashmere sweater is also on sale, and I think it looks really good with their new lightweight 100% linen scarf. Okay, these are the features that I want you to notice. This flap is expandable as well as compressible. Like this will compress your winter outfit so low, and it was fantastic, okay? And this is another part that I really like. You have that pocket, which is the entire length of your suitcase, which is extra space to me. And then you also have over here long ways that you would slide in like dirty laundry, let's say. And this feels very silky. It's really good quality, and the zippers are probably the smoothest I've ever had. And you have all this space for packing. I have these ponte pants from Quince that are on sale in the straight leg version. These are the wide leg crop. I do not think they're part of the sale, but I just want you to see the high quality of this fabric. It's stretchy and it has a stretchy waist, and it's very high waist, if that helps you. This purse is on sale and I use it for my everyday purse. I cannot believe it is on sale. It's like $40 off, I think. It's a patchwork look. It's Italian leather, but see how it's poofy, like smushable and mushable? But look at that. It has structure. And you have this handle as well as the crossbody handle if you want to use it. I wouldn't necessarily use this for travel, but y'all, it is such a roomy, smushy. Oh, one thing I did is I videoed in my car and I showed you how easy it is to reach in one-handed while you're driving and unzip the inside pocket. It unzips and zips so easily, and you can toss in your phone, although there is the back pocket. But look at all the space that I have for my regular wallet, my glasses case, sunglasses case, Kleenexes, my color palette thingy. I mean, it's just so nice. And then you just flip it down like that, and the magnets are not too strong, but they're not weak, flimsy magnets either. This is probably my favorite purchase from the entire year from Quince, but it is on major sale today. It's cashmere, and one skeptical thing that some of my viewers have thought is that it's called shrunken cashmere. It's cotton cashmere, I believe, but it is a sweatshirt look, which is so casual while you feel elevated. But I wanted you to see it's not shrunken in height or length. So this is a large, and if you are 5'8" at least, you could size up easily to a size extra large, and it's not going to be super bulky. See how much it looks like a sweatshirt? It's so soft, y'all, and so cute. The light gray and I think the brown are going to be my next purchase. Did you know that 100% silk regulates your body temperature, so you can wear it for warm vacation outfits or in cold temperatures? It's a good base layer to keep in the winter, but in the summer, this is so drapey and flowy with no cling for a woman's body, especially in the midsection. So this is a size large and fits fine. This men's performance polo is ideal for travel. It has this moisture wicking feature and anti-odor, which is great for travel and with versatile outfits, so he can wear it again on vacation. Woo! I had to run and get this, the last thing I want to show you that is on sale from Quince, my favorite of all time, sunglasses. They are a cat eye looking. They have never once gotten crooked. They feel like they should cost $1 million, but they are on sale from their annual sale that only happens once a year. And this is the first sale. All links should pop up in the bottom left corner while I'm talking, or they will be in the ... more paragraph right underneath this video, like always. All right. Happy New Year and happy shopping this one-day sale.